Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. We are covering maths NIOS senior secondary course subject. Today we will be seeing the detail of the topic 1.4 subset from the chapter 1 of sets. Before going to the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, put a thumbs up and share the content with your friends so that they can also use it. So let's start. So topic that we are going to cover is subset. Let us know what is a subset. The subset means if you are given two sets, one set when written as B a subset of A. What does this mean? So we have two information. Set A consists of all the students of your school. So every student is a part of set A. This is set A. And next set is B. B is all the students of class 12th of your school. Okay, only students belonging to class 12th belongs to B set. So this way, this is the whole set A and this is the set B, where B is a part of A. In that case, we can say B belongs to A, or B is a subset of A. Okay, so this symbol is used for showing subset. Next example, D consists of all the number from starting with 1, then goes 2, 3, 4 and till infinity. And E is another subset which consists of the negative numbers till infinity, and then it consists 0 other numbers as well. So this whole thing is D subset, sorry, D set. In that case, we can say D is a subset of E. All the elements of D are available in E. That is the meaning of subset. Okay, let's see the definition. If A and B are any two sets such that each element of set A is an element of set B also, then we say A is a subset of B. Okay, that is the term subset defined. Now it has got some properties. Let's see what are they. First thing is each set is a subset of itself. Okay, if you take a set A, generally you can say the same set is a subset of itself. That is one property. Another one is null set has no element. So the condition of becoming a subset is automatically satisfied. Therefore, null set is a subset of every set. So if you have null set, it becomes part of every set. That is another rule. Third one says if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, that means both of them are equal. The same, they are talking about the same set. The elements in A will be equal to elements in B. Okay. Fourth one says if A is a subset of B and A is not equal to B, unlike the previous condition, A and B are not same, then A is said to be the proper subset of B and B is said to be the superset. Okay, when vice versa is done, we say both elements are same. But if A is a subset of B and A is not equal to B, the example you can take as that first example here, what we have seen, A and B, where B is a subset of A but they are not equal. In that case, we say A as proper set, this is known as proper set, and this B is known as superset. So these are the two names used for defining these two sets. Okay, so the property is done this way. Next, let's see the example. So the first example is, if A is x, where x is a prime number less than 5. Okay, so let's define this set. Let A be, what elements will be there inside A? Less than 5 means 4. 4 is not a prime number. 3 is a prime number. Then comes 2. 2 and 3 are the prime number lesser than 5. Next one is B. Y is an even prime number. So what number is that? B set is for 2. Okay, only 2 is the satisfying option. Then is B a proper set of A? B is a proper set of A. We can say B is a subset of A and both are not equal. B not equal to A or A not equal to B. In that case, B is the proper set, or sorry, proper subset. So this is true. Next example says, if A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 2, 3, 4, 5, is A a subset of B? Let's check. It has the element 1, 2, 3 and 4 and B has the element 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if you see 2, 3, 4 is common in both of them, but not everything. In that case, this is not true, and B is also not a subset of A since 5 is missing in the second case. So both are not true. Neither A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Both are not possible because elements are missing from both the cases. Both the sets you have the elements missing. From the first, for the first condition, 1 is missing, and for the second condition, 5 is missing. Let's see the next example, 1.10. If A is the set of A, E, I, O, U and B is E, I, O, U, A, is A subset of B or B a subset of A or both? Since these two sets are equal, okay, these two sets are equal, we can say both are equal. A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, both are equal. This topic is 1.4.1, number of subset of a set. How to find out number of subsets possible for a set? So for that, this is the formula. If A is any set, is a set with number of elements as P, then the number of subset of that A will be 2 raised to P. That means 2 and how many elements the set has. That will be your solution. The number of proper subset will be 2 raised to P minus 1. Okay. So you can see this example. In this example, A has element X. Then the subset of A will be, number of elements in this set A is only 1. So 2 raised to 1 or 2 raised to 1 is the answer. So you have got two subsets for this, which are, one is 5 and the element itself. Okay. Now let's take another example. Here you have got two options. So since two options are there, number of subset possible are 2 raised to 2, that is 4. In that case, one is 5, 4, 2 and 2 and 4. Okay, separately these two elements and then combination of both and nothing. 4 subsets are there. If you have got 3 elements, output will be 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So 5, then 1, 3 and 5, then 1, 3 combination, 1, 5 combination, then comes 3 and 5 combination, then comes all together combination. In that way, you have got 8 outputs. The examples of natural numbers, whole numbers. Natural number always starts with 1, whole number always starts with 0 and goes till infinity. The only difference is whole number has 0, and set of integer contains positive and negative numbers including 0, and rational number which is in the form of p by q, where q is never 0. If it is 0, it's not defined, so q should not be 0. So those numbers are known as sets of rational numbers. Okay, by this your topic is done of subset. Hope you understood. If you have doubts, please comment and subscribe to the channel, like, share. Thank you for watching.